Hi, welcome to the third and final review of the Morotola Droid on Verizon. Today we're looking at the Google Map navigation through your Google Maps. So clicking on the app, go right in. We're in Google Maps. As you can see, it still looks similar. You have your maps and all that. So we want to get turn-by-turn directions. You hit the menu button, do a search for locations. I have a couple of preset locations. I'm going to search for one. Brings it up, hit the location. Now normally you can get directions which will give you a regular direction in which you track your locations, but you actually have to keep looking at your phone. So underneath that you have navigate. Once you hit that, that activates the Google Map navigation. And
head east on Elliott Street toward Galen Street, then turn right at Galen Street. That
is the voice of the Morotola Droid navigation that gives you turn-by-turn directions. It's very accurate, works very well. You can't necessarily see how it works in full functionality because, of course, I'm not driving.
Turn right at Galen Street.
But it does remind you to follow GPS directions. Once you hit the menu button, if you hit layers, that allows you to look at traffic views, satellite, parking, where gas stations are, ATMs, restaurants, Holiday Inn, and things. These are things that infuse in regular GPS. So if we do a traffic view, it actually, lets us see where traffic is and how things are. I don't think you can do a street view with the GPS. You can do a satellite view with the GPS. If you look for parking, it shows you different parking spots, as you can see. Gas station pinpoints all the various gas stations along your route in your journey. ATMs, restaurants do the very same thing. Okay, clear map of all that data. Yeah. Route info gives you route info in different locations. If you hit more and do directional list, that brings up beside me with a different directional list and where to turn and things like that you see on the normal GPS. Of course, this also works in landscape mode, so it naturally orientates and tilts and changes when you hit the menu button. So yeah, it does give you a very full GPS experience, like I said. So hope you enjoy that. It was very quick, but again, the Droid and Android 2.0 do a very good job, especially with GPS navigation. One thing I should note that you can actually go out of the app and make text messages, make phone calls, and still your GPS will be running in the background and giving you turn-by-turn directions. So it's a very cool feature, and I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you.